Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Barney from Animal Hospital. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes with 2 curves up. And then a curve underneath each one. Now let's add 2 curves down inside each eye. And then color the pupils in black. Now that we're done the eyes, we're going to hop underneath in the center and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And color this in black as well. Now for the mustache, let's draw 2 wavy lines out and up. And let's curve each end back in underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and we're going to draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to each eye and let's draw 2 angles down. Then let's curve it out for the cheeks. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with a curve across along the top. And another curve up on top. Now for the top part of the hat, let's curve it up and around. And lastly for the head, let's draw 2 ears on top with a bump up and down on each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 curves down for the sides of the body. And then a curve across. Now let's hop back up and add the arms. On each side, let's draw 2 curves down. And then let's add a circular curve at the bottom for the hands. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. On each side, let's draw a long curve down. Then inside at the top, let's add a curve across. And 2 lines down for the inside of the legs. And let's close off the bottom of each pant leg. Now let's add the feet at the bottom with a curve out and back in. And that's it for Barney. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!